Yup. So I got a bunch of stuff from K&F, stuff that I needed for my kit, and I just wanted to unbox them live. What I got was this cleaning kit. I got my variable ND filter. I did have to get a filter adapter. So this is a 67 to 77 or whatever way that's supposed to go. And then just a cap for that. So I'm gonna unbox that and wanted to show you what I got. So this is all the gear that I got. Let's start off with the cleaning kit. In the box, got a little air blower. Sorry, everybody just had some version of this. I just got K&F on everything, just to maybe get sponsored by K&F at one point. And a couple of wipes. Then we'll get into the big boy. Was really hesitant on which version to buy. Was a little scared to pull the trigger on this, to be honest, just because I didn't want to make the wrong decision. I feel like 77 might cover all my bases. Honestly, I could have just gone with a 67 and been good, but I wanted to future-proof myself. This is a faux leather protector, but you know, better than nothing. The reason I wanted to get this was it had good reviews and pretty decent price. What an ND filter, variable ND filter does is you can darken it for inside and outside when you're shooting. Let me put a light so I can actually show you. So let's pretend that's the sun. So you can see that it's darkening it up. And this allows you to keep your lens wide open, as wide as you can, without having to compensate for the darkness on screen. So it's a quick visual on how that works. Next up is this little filter step-up ring. Let's see how this works. I wonder if I can keep both of them together. So this is the step-up ring. Oh, I forgot that there's two. I have two in here. Cool. So I'll save one. I'm shooting on the Zeiss Bettis lens. This is the 25mm f2. Overall, I've been really happy with this, and I just want to get some shots outside. That's why I picked up this variable ND filter. Lastly, this is pretty boring, but let's unbox everything we got. More microfiber cloths. This is just a lens cap so that I could fit on top of there. So let's take advantage that everything's nice and clean. It's live testing here. I got this for the sole purpose to cover this up. And it looks like it's not big enough. It's 77 also. So I don't think I have a lens that's 80. I don't know what size this is. This is pissing me off now. If anybody knows what I did wrong, this might be going back because it doesn't fit here. The whole purpose was for me to cover this. Nice fail that you see on camera. This works okay. I think I will take this off when not needed. So I wanted to show that with two hands I was able to get the filter attached on with the step-up ring. But yeah, it's kind of unfortunate this cap doesn't fit on that. I probably should have done a little bit more research to make sure that that fits. So this is my haul from K&F. It's not sponsored. I wanted to show, let's actually show it on the camera. Here we go. This is just me putting on the variable ND filter. I didn't change any settings on my camera, and right now I'm just filtering it through. So as you can see, I can keep my settings the same. I don't have to change my aperture or anything like that. And I can expose as dark as I would like. Honestly, I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think that helps quite a bit. I'm very happy with this so far. Get some shots outside and let you know what I think about it in the next couple of weeks. I'm very happy with this setup currently. I think it looks really good, and it gives me the flexibility to shoot outside, indoors, outdoors, and I'm not shooting content full-time or anything like that. So I think this is a good option for some creators that are trying to learn some skills and trying to get good quality gear without spending too much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of this journey. If you have any comments, how to use this stuff, I'm all ears. Thanks for watching. Peace.